Students, today's topic is noun gender. As you all are aware, the noun category can be classified in many ways, and one of the classification involves gender. You have studied four kinds of gender: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Masculine gender, as you know, denotes males as boy, horse. Feminine gender denotes female as girl, male. Common gender denotes both males and females as teacher, pupil. Neuter gender denotes a non-living thing. It involves something which is neither a male nor a female. For example, pen. Regarding changing of noun gender in the sentences, you have to remember a few rules. Change the gender of the desired noun as well as the pronoun related to the noun. If there is any pronoun related to the noun present in the sentence, it will as well simultaneously undergo the change. Another important thing is, you must consider the number of the noun. If the noun is singular, then the noun after changing the gender will be singular. If the noun is plural, the changed gender will remain plural. Please remember that common genders do not undergo any sort of change. Collective nouns are thought to be of neuter gender, although they are collection of people. We have a few examples here. The tiger hunted a cow. The tigress hunted a bull. Remember that the vowel E in some of the words gets omitted and the spelling changes, putting a stress on the consonant. So the word tiger changes to tigress and the word cow changes to bull. The tiger hunted a cow. The tigress hunted a bull. My aunt visited with her son. My uncle visited with his daughter. It's obvious the word aunt has a pronoun related to it. The word is her. So, when the word aunt gets changed to the masculine gender of uncle, the female denoted the her, the word her, which denotes a female, as well undergoes a change. It changes into his. The prince had never seen a white peacock. The princess had never seen a white peahen. That gentleman bought a horse. The word gentleman changes to lady. Horse changes to mare. That lady bought a mare. My grandmother called the washerman. My grandfather called the washerwoman. You can see a peculiar kind of change here. In both these words, the grandmother and washerman, the half of the compound noun, that is mother, and man, only these two have to change. The words grand and washer, which are an additive to the compound noun here, they don't undergo any change. My grandmother changes to grandfather, and the word washerman changes to washerwoman. My grandmother called the washerman. My grandfather called the washerwoman. Scolded the child. The father scolded the child. Here the word child doesn't undergo any change. Can you tell why? Yes, because the word child belongs to the common gender category. It doesn't undergo any change because it belongs to both the male child as well as the female child. The father scolded the child is the correct answer. A dog chased the milkman. A bitch chased the milkmaid. Here again, you can see the word compound word milkman changes to the compound word milkmaid, retaining the form of the compound noun. The principal called Mrs. Sinha to the office. The word principal again is a common gender. It doesn't undergo any change. Mrs. Sinha, the surname Sinha doesn't change, but Mrs. changes into Mr. But the word office, it's a neuter gender, so it doesn't undergo any change. The answer you get is the principal called Mr. Sinha to the office. The hunter shot a fox. The huntress shot a vixen. The monk saw a baby crying. The nun saw a baby crying. Monk has undergone a change, but the word baby again is a common gender. You can't change it. The answer can be written as the nun saw a baby crying. I hope you understood today's text. Go through the rules, remember the rules, remember the collective nouns, they don't change. Remember that compound nouns undergo a peculiar kind of change, and go through the spellings of some peculiar words as huntress, tigress. Thank you.